fuck is going on? It's OPMG here with a tech/media review. And I just got something in the mail today. It's my webcam. This is Ted Gem 1080p full HD webcam made to pretty much attach to your laptop. So I wanted to get one because I wanted a clear picture, clear image whenever I was streaming, because the actual lens or the actual camera on my laptop isn't as clear. So let's go ahead and open this up, hook it up the right way, and then let's see what it's got. You got simple setup. It's just got the flap, little hook, so it goes directly on top of your laptop's mounting screen, or excuse me, on top of your laptop's display screen. And then yeah, this little latch right here hooks on, and then this back piece right there hooks onto the back of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually hook it up to my monitor, and that way, see if I can get another angle on it so we can separate them. It also has a microphone on it. We will test that out. Put that there. Make sure I knock this over. Let's see. So plug this in. Alright, it's on. Okay. Alright, let's see how I can hook this up. Okay, so now that I have it hooked up, let's see if we can look at the two different clarities. All right, so first we have the actual camera, which is on my laptop. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch to the actual webcam. So it should look like this. All right, so now I'm looking into the webcam. You can clearly see it's not as grainy in the background. Yeah, you can see actually my garage wall. You can see the action figures, you can see my lights, green screen. Let me see, let's go back to the laptop. Okay. Well, I want to say it's definitely an upgrade. You can just tell by the clarity. To whereas the laptop camera's pretty blurry, not blurry, but just a little fuzzy. It's not as detailed. And then the 1080, you can tell I didn't shave today. Let's check the sound on it because it also has a mic. So what we'll do is we'll actually turn off this audio capture. Turn on this audio capture. So I won't be able to check the sound until later on when I edit the videos, but we'll be able to see how it looks from there, or how it sounds from there. We'll be able to see how it sounds from there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the standard microphone, and if it does boom. All right, so yeah, this is a new webcam. It definitely looks clear. Plan on using it for the stream I got tonight coming up. Okay, cut that off. All right, I'm just trying to make sure I have everything set up. No, I don't want the webcam microphone. I want this one. Yes. Okay. Boom, we should be back on the mic. Dope. Okay, cool. So after playing around with the display a little bit, I actually saw that it'd be better to get a higher angle, just to make sure I was getting enough light in. Also, the sound did not sound good. I went back and listened to that audio, and it was pretty bad. I don't know if there's something I have to adjust in the settings, but I'll play around with it some more. But overall, for a product that has 1080p HD display and a microphone, I mean, the price, which was approximately $39, so under 40 bucks. It's not bad. Display size is 3 inches. It immediately hooked up to Windows, so I didn't have to download any software. It was just plug and play, and yeah. The only thing I'm gonna have to do now, like the next piece of tech I'm gonna have to get, is probably gonna be a microphone, because I won't be able to rely on the webcam's microphone because you could barely hear anything. And like I said, as of right now, that's how it is. So I'm gonna have to keep using my Yeti until I get something else. But other than that, this has been a mediocre tech review with your boy OPMG. Thanks for tuning in.